Hey y'all, Ryan Ray, your Boise real estate agent here. Got a special treat for you today. Today we have a house in a subdivision in Boise with no HOA. Has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, just under an acre. Okay, no HOA. The one thing I hear from my buyers is I hate HOA, and I can't blame them. Now what I love about this house, this neighborhood, it's a friend of mine's house, just hit the market today. And I live not far from here. So I fell in love with this neighborhood. And what I love about it is that it's close to just about everything. You can get to any of the major cities here in the valley. Bogus Basin's 45 minutes away for mountain activities all year round. And the airport is super close. This backyard I'm standing in right now, super quiet, family friendly. Tons of fun activities. So I'm going to give you guys a quick walkthrough inside and out. The backyard is to die for. Okay, lots of cool stuff here. Let me know your thoughts down in the description. I'd love to know. Down in the description. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. I would love to know what you think of this place. If you or somebody you know is interested in moving to Boise, reach out. Phone number, contact info is below. It is me answering the phone. If you bother to follow or subscribe, I'd appreciate it. The subscribers that I do have, that's what motivates me to continue producing this content and putting videos out there for people and trying to be a person who adds value, right? The real estate market right now is bananas, absolutely bananas. And a lot of people have their opinions on what's going to happen with the market. I've had to make some changes to my overall business plan, which I'm going to be doing another video on. But for right now, let's go take a look at this house, all right? All right, that's it. That's the end of the home tour. 5-bed, 3-bath. Right now it's set up more as a 4-bedroom. There's a bonus room that's not really being used for anything. And there's an office upstairs. So realistically, this could be a 6-bed, 3-bath. And when I was first moving out here, I noticed that there's a lot of 2-1s, 3-1s, 1-1s, and finding the higher bedroom count was difficult for me. Except in new construction, right? So finding a house like this that was built in the 70s, that has had some upgrades done to it, it's been well taken care of. These people have been here for 12 years, I think, and they finally decided that it's time for them to go. I don't know exactly where they're going, but right now I'm sitting by their fire pit, and it's beautiful, it's quiet, it's warm out. It's near 100 degrees right now, so it's sweltering hot, but it's still better than Arizona. Let's see, what else? This house is about 3,000 square feet. That's the other atypical thing for a house in this area. A lot of the older homes aren't of this size. So you almost have a separate entertaining space upstairs and downstairs. This house is family friendly. It's entertainment. Plenty of room for entertaining. And I just can't say enough nice things about it. It's priced out at $849,900. It just went active today. Today is Thursday, July 14th. I'm going to have this video up ASAP. And if you have any questions, if you know anybody who's looking to move to the Boise area, feel free to give me a call, 208-608-2514. Other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next video. And the next video that I'm going to drop is going to be an update on the changes I've made to my real estate business and how I could potentially use that change to help you. Anyways, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, have fun, be nice to people. Bye now.